on nutrition and digestion for P2. It starts off with the food entering the buccal cavity, and it is ground and mashed by the teeth and the jaw. Also, carbohydrates in the food are broken down by the enzyme amylase, and then it mixes with saliva and travels down the esophagus. The esophagus is the next part. The food is pushed down the esophagus by a mixture of gravity and peristalsis, which are a series of wave-like muscle contractions that force the food down. It then passes to the stomach, where the carbs are broken down further. They are then sent to where they're needed, or if they're not needed, they're stored. The stomach then mixes the food up into chyme. This is like a kind of paste, and then releases hydrochloric acid to dissolve it. The enzyme pepsinogen is released and starts the breakdown of proteins. The next part is the small intestines. The chyme then makes its way down into the small intestines, which consist of the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum. The pancreas releases some more digestive juices, and then they react with the food further to break other things down. For example, the fats begin to get broken down by something called lipase. The liver and gallbladder excrete bile to break down the fats further. The bile is an alkaline, so it can neutralize the acids from the stomach. This is the part where absorption starts to occur in the small intestines. It happens through the walls of the small intestines, and any waste from this process is pushed down into the large intestines. Absorption happens by any things like carbohydrates, what can go into the bloodstream, and push through the walls, through the villi, and then absorbed by the blood. The large intestine. This is where any excess water is removed and any toxins are removed. And then it passes down through the rectum. Any vitamins or minerals what may be left in the food are now taken out and absorbed in the bloodstream, the same way as in the small intestines. And final stage of the digestive system is rectum, where the leftover chyme or waste is pushed out of the large intestines down into the rectum, where you excrete it out of the body. This is more commonly known as going to the toilet. Any dangerous toxins what may be left are then excreted out through our urine, so they cannot harm our body. Thank you.